it can be difficult to choose the best gaming headset. There is, quite simply, an excessive amount of choice available, with options for every need and price range. If you're looking for anything specific, Razer alone presumably has it, and it might be its most recent offering. 3 headsets make up the Razer Barracuda family, 2 of which are more expensive, and 1 of which is more affordable. The Razer Barracuda is the name of the middle of the 3 that we have here. The Barracuda Pro is the all-star performer, while the Barracuda X is the entry-level variant. However, this will be the sweet spot for the majority of folks. It is a wireless headset that is equipped with the most recent Razer technology, and has a few truly significant quality of life features that are sufficient in and of itself to justify purchasing one. The Barracuda's similarity to Razer's Opus headphones for gamers is what makes it such a great headset. From May 31, customers can order the $160 Razer Barracuda directly from Razer or from other retailers. The Barracuda X and the Barracuda Pro are also available to order starting on May 31st from the same retailers. I've worn many Razer headsets. They also look exactly like a gaming headset, despite the fact that they are typically extremely good headsets. In addition, I have a set of Razer Opus X headphones that I really like, and not just because they're lime green. Razer does amazing work with acoustics, but no one nowadays wants to venture outside while wearing a cricket. So you can see the appearance direction Razer took when compared to the Opus. This gaming headset resembles a high-end pair of headphones, more than it does a garish RGB mess that shouts, "Look at me." In actuality, the power LED is the only thing that illuminates on the Barracuda. Compared to, say, a Razer Black Shark V2, it is slightly heavier, but it is not at all heavy. It is mostly made of matte durable plastic. Although it collects some fingerprints, it is sturdy. Actually, I'd say the Barracuda headphones feel more well-built overall than the similarly priced Audio-Technica AT-HM50X headphones that I use every day. The removal of a protruding microphone is another significant change Razer made to the Barracuda to make it more bearable for non-gaming uses. It does not separate or retract, hang there at your side, or otherwise manifest itself. The Barracuda still has a microphone, but it is now permanently attached to the ear cups. Additionally, the Razer Barracuda earns bonus marks for wirelessly supporting virtually every platform conceivable, excluding Xbox. On Xbox, wireless connectivity is impossible, but Razer offers a 3.5mm connection, so you can connect your controller. You have 2 options for wireless use, and you can utilize both of them without any problems. The first option is the trusty Bluetooth, which is ideal for connecting to a smartphone or the Nintendo Switch. The second is Razer's Hyperspeed Wireless, which works with a tiny USB-C dongle, and supports Google Stadia, PlayStation 5, PC, and USB-C enabled phones and tablets. The last one is a fortuitous coincidence in the larger scheme of things. Razer hasn't even highlighted it on the box. But because the Barracuda uses USB-C adapter, which is one of a very tiny number of headsets that does, you can connect it to the Stadia controller for gaming audio and a microphone. It functions flawlessly. You can switch between the dongle and Bluetooth with just a single double press of the developed button on the headset, thanks to Razer's Smart Switch. But the Barracuda truly is a gaming headset for every situation. You must use a cord with your Series X like an animal because of Xbox's first-party wireless protocol, but Razer didn't leave anyone out. The Razer Barracuda and the more costly Barracuda Pro differ most in their sound systems. You get hybrid active noise cancelling, more THX awesomeness, and better drivers for the additional $90 you pay for the Pro. But the standard Barracuda is far from a loser. The headset is powered by Triforce titanium 50mm drivers from Razer, and THX spatial audio is included for the PC. The Barracuda has this as well, but it's one of those distinguishing qualities that sets it apart from a typical set of headphones. Razer Synapse offers the standard desktop configuration adjustments, but there is also a mobile app that allows you to fine-tune it from your smartphone. Synapse is necessary for THX spatial audio to function, but it is content to be left running in the background. I'm impressed with the sound, to put it simply. This is the first headset in a while that I have tested against music and movies rather than video games, and it holds its own against the Opus headphones. There is naturally a lot of low bass if you want it, and the sound is strong and clean. Spatial audio's directional information is good when it comes to gaming, and the sound staging is overall impressive. Every explosion and shooty bang bang is transmitted, yet it also handles more delicate noises with ease. I'm especially impressed by how crystal clear the audio seems to be in racing games. When you play F1, for instance, it's very obvious which side of the car a certain noise is coming from. Overall, I'd say the sound quality is better than some of Razer's previous headsets, and I'd put it higher in the hierarchy than the Kraken. The Barracuda has a distinct advantage over most due to how well it handles music. Naturally, there's a lot of low end if you want it, and the sound is strong and clean. In terms of gameplay, spatial audio offers superb directional cues and an overall amazing sound staging. Every explosion and shooty bang bang is conveyed, while more delicate sounds are handled with ease, while still being fully immersive. The audio quality of racing games particularly strikes me as being impressive. In the F1 game, for instance, it is very obvious which side of the car a certain noise is coming from. Compared to some of Razer's older headsets, I'd say the sound quality is generally better, and I'd put it above the Kraken in the hierarchy. The Barracuda has a distinct advantage over most due to its superior music handling abilities. The Razer Barracuda gaming headset is really intriguing. On the one hand, it is cozy, has fantastic audio, and has a battery life of up to 40 hours. Everyone will value being able to wear this headset as regular headphones without seeming like a fool, while competitive gamers will enjoy THX spatial audio. The fact that Razer supports virtually every platform, even one that might be considered accidental, adds appeal. You can get the best wireless audio performance from virtually any device, thanks to USB-C, the new standard, and that straightforward feature on the dongle. I would prefer it to be a touch lighter and a little wider on the ears if I were picking. It can be challenging to determine for sure whether the microphone is muted. Since the mute button is so shallow, it's not always clear what state it's in. Every time you mute or unmute, it would have been helpful to receive some aural feedback in your ears, so you could be sure what you just did, especially considering that Smart Switch provides such aural feedback. Of course, you will need a dedicated microphone or to search elsewhere if microphone quality is important. Make better headset microphones. Although $160 is a substantial expenditure for a gaming headset, I believe this particular model is worthwhile. If you don't absolutely need active noise cancelling, save $90 over the Barracuda Pro and purchase this one instead. It's a great all-arounder. The Barracuda shows that a gaming headset can double as regular wireless headphones. Thank you for watching this review. I hope it was useful for you. Have a nice day and see you soon.